Visual quoting is another way to build your quote and share your designs with your clients. Here you can pull in a floor plan, add items, and use different design tools in the toolbar. The software doesn't recognize your locations until you drag and drop them out onto the floor plan. So let's create one here. I'm going to hover over my location, click this icon to the right, and let's draw our closet out here. Okay, now we can find our items in our search bar and quickly add them. Let's pop a rack into the closet. All right, and let's pop that in there. If you've already started quoting by list, it's totally fine. Just add the items from your locations. I have 6 speakers. Let's pull out 3 more. To resize your icons or hide location names and borders, find the settings icon here in the toolbar. All right, make them as big or as small as you need them to be. And let's hide my location names. As your client is reviewing your proposal, they can check out their own floor plan and get a nicer visual of the finished project. All you have to do is add an attachment section and then browse out to your opportunity attachments to pop them into the proposal.